if you've ever wondered if there's really that big of a difference between the driver bits that you buy at the big box stores, like this Bosch that I bought at Menards, or this Milwaukee shockwave that you can get at Home Depot, and then you've got, of course, the Ryobi and the Master Force. If there's any difference between these easily acquired bits and then these kind of more difficult to find Fellow and Weehaw brands, if you've ever wondered if there's any difference, there's a difference, and it's actually quite dramatic. So let's see here. Let's put the Bosch in here first. So this is a cabinet screw. So you're reaching into a cabinet. You're drilling into something you probably haven't pre-drilled if you're, and you're trying to get a screw into something that's got a hard coating of some kind, and you're reaching in. So you're using a longer bit because you're reaching into a cabinet, and you got to deal with all this slop, and the screw starts to wobble. Your hand is shaking, and the screw goes flying, and you got to start over. But that's the Bosch. That's a T20 in a cabinet screw. Here's the Milwaukee shockwave. This Milwaukee shockwave was way better than the Bosch. I'm sorry, DeWalt guys, I don't have any DeWalt because after I discovered these Weehaw and Fellow tips, I'm not even interested in anything the big stores have anymore. This is I don't know, this is just a generic bit. It's probably like a Master Force or something from Menards. This one is Ryobi, in a Ryobi set that I got. Okay, so now we come to, this is the Weehaw. I mean, there is just the tiniest amount of play in here. I can't believe the difference. That bit is just really well seated in there. And these are all Torx, by the way, if you haven't noticed that already. And then this Fellow has got a little bit of slop, but not much. And it actually, I can feel, as I wiggle it more, I can feel it seating in there even better. You know, so the difference, even if you've got it in a bit holder that's got a little bit of wobble, I mean, the difference is huge. Okay, so that was the Fellow. Let's go to this Bosch. Okay, let's just put the Bosch in a chuck so we don't have to deal with the play of the. I mean, okay, I'm doing the slop on purpose here, so you get the point. You know, that's really bad tolerances on that. So here's the shockwave in a bit holder. You know, so you've got that to deal with. Okay. And then, you know, go back to here. We'll put this longer Weehaw in this bit holder. Whoops, it only works on this cabinet screw. Okay, so if I deliberately push side to side, that's what there is. At KC Tool, and this is unopened, unused, and let's check out the Fellow T15 3-inch bit for run out. That's really good. Wow. Okay. Okay, so this is a Weehaw impact bit. That's really good accuracy. I mean, there's drill bits that aren't even that accurate. But that's a short bit, right? It's short, so you think, well, it's going to be more accurate. Weha T20, 70 millimeters long. That's still pretty good for a driver bit, though. Okay, let's... It's a short bit, still pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. So if I'm a pro and I'm putting in cabinets, it is money well spent on these higher end Weha and Fellow brand tips. So I hope that helps somebody. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.